how to win every single game of Bounty Hunter using every single hunter. So, today's episode we have the first 7 already done. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're on Dragon Knight. So, for Dragon Knight, you can have him awakened, you don't have to. But my abilities are going to have to be these. Damage reduction, you want damage reflect, and you want attack speed right there. And for the pet, as always, Caldera. I'll show you right now. First slot, the third one right there. But you can pick whatever one you want. So, let's get straight into this. Number 8 in the series. If you want to check out the other videos, they are in the playlist of each character. How you get wins, little tips and tricks, which abilities to upgrade first. It's always important, the upgrades are the most important, the abilities. So I'm going to try to get to that book. Probably won't make it. We make it? No. Okay, we're going to go damage, HP and damage right there. I'm going to go attack speed. We need to get close to people, so that's going to be the tough part. Okay, we got 7 already, 9 kills, sorry. Okay, we're going to go XP for this one, not damage. He's going to be trouble. Oh, Caldera got him. Nice. We're going to go damage reflect. Imp Master's going to be trouble right there. Life Stealer's going to be trouble. Shouldn't be too much trouble. Okay, we're going to grab a heart real quick. Let's stay in the middle for now. Attack speed. Beautiful. Now your pet will attack. That's why some of them die when I go near them. See the little picture on the left side of the screen? If it has a little scratching sign, that means they're attacking. If it's not scratching like that, then they won't attack. So you have to have the scratch sign on. The little scratchies. It's going to go damage reduction there. See, I want your pets to attack them as well. That's why sometimes they kill them straight away. Don't even need me to attack. There we go. 37 kills, no deaths so far. He is usually trouble, not today. Oh, I got stunned by Rocky. We could be in trouble here. Oh, we got the book. Okay, we're doing okay. Oh, get a heart quick. Should take those 2 out. Now we're going to go movement speed. Just to get around a little bit quicker. Imp Master has to go. Damage reduction. We want damage reduction. Right. Gonna go over here. Yep, Dead Sea. Caldera is killing people too. Yep, give me the book. Thank you very much. We're gonna go damage reduction again just to be extra safe. We should have this in the bag without a death, hopefully. We're on 61 kills so far. Okay, that's nice. Get rid of Impy right there. Movement speed so we can get around a little bit quicker. Oh, they're all chilling over here. Hello. Whoa. Yeah, I don't need a heart. Let's just take care of it. Get the book again. Always get the book. If you can get the book, always grab it. Massive difference. Extra damage, extra speed, everything. HP and damage there. Good boy, sniper. Alright, that's perfect. Oh, 78 kills. Wow. And that is number 8 in the series. Again, if you want to check out all the other videos, they are in the playlist. So, that was pretty damn good. So that has been Dragon Knight right there. For number 8 in the series, we got to win with every single one of them. Dragon Knight next will be Druid, then Crow, then Imp Master, Frozen Queen, and etc. We're going to go all the way down. All the way down the list. Now, I don't think I have Mimic at the minute. I'll get around to him. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in this one. And I'll see you in the next one in the series.